This is the sketch we have drawn. Now, we will see how to convert a 2D sketch into a 3D model in SolidWorks. First, exit Sketch, go to Features, and select Extruded Boss Base. Now, select the sketch we want to extrude. Drag the arrow to give the thickness or give a thickness from here. Give 70 mm thickness and click OK. So, this is the 3D model. Right click on this face and select Sketch to make a 2D sketch on this face. Make this face normal from here or from the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+8. Select circle, draw circle, select smart dimension and give all necessary dimension to this circle. And exit the sketch. Go to Features and select Extruded Cut. Select through all to cut throughout the body. In this way, we can give a cut to any solid body. And click OK. We can select the whole part from here, go to Appearance and give some color to the body. And click OK. In this way, we can create a solid model from 2D sketch in SolidWorks. So, this was the quick intro of 3D modeling in SolidWorks. In this course, we are going to learn different modeling tools and techniques from basic level to advanced level.